Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to talk about how to fix iPhone touchscreen is glitching after iOS 15 update, or you're having trouble when you're using this. So we're going to talk about how you can fix this up. So there are some of the reasons why this happened, and the first thing which I would like to notice you guys is when you're having the touch screen issue or touch screen is glitching on your iPhone when you're trying to navigate or when you're trying to open any kind of apps and you're having the issue. So the first thing which I suggest is just have to go over here on the settings. Now from the settings you just have to tap on general, and from here on the general you have to tap on software update, and you have to go for the software updates if it's available. Once you're done with the software update, you have to see in some cases due to the software updates, as well as if you're running the older version, these kind of issues can happen in between. So this is the first technical steps which you have to do. After trying this, if the issue is still persisting and it's not going out, then most probably the issue will not be with the touch screen but due to some of the apps. For example, imagine that if you're using the Instagram, if you're using the Snapchat as well as the Twitter, when you're trying to open the app, it's not, or even you touch, it's not working, then the issue might be depends on both the side as well as on the hardware issues that can happen in between the iPhone, as well as the issue can happen in between the particular app. So I request you just have to go to the Google and you just have to check if any one of your apps which is trying to open is going through any kind of server issues or any kind of issues in between. So you just have to check for it, because at a time most of the apps will not be having the issue. So you just have to make sure out which is having the issue, and you have to make sure that part. Even after trying this, if it's not working, then the next thing is what you have to do is just have to turn your iPhone, turn off your iPhone, and you just have to turn it on. And most probably by doing this, the issue will be completely fixed. And even after trying these simple steps, it's not working, the last and the least solution what you have to do is just have to contact the Apple support, and you just have to talk to them, because they'll be giving you some instructions, they'll be asking you some questions where you have to answer all the questions, and definitely they'll be scheduling what you have to do, and they'll be getting you an appointment with the Apple the showroom, and they'll be helping you out with the technicians, and they'll be doing the schedules, and everything will be done from their side. So it can be an hardware issues also in some cases. So these are the basic things what you have to do. You don't have to get panicked when your iPhone touch screen is glitching or something. What you have to just have to try this out and contact the Apple support, and most probably or meet the Apple experts, and you just have to talk to them, and they'll be helping out, because even after trying all these things, if it's not working, then this is actually a hardware issue. So you just have to talk to them. So see, these are the basic things what you have to do when you're having how to fix iPhone touch screen is not working or it's glitching out, and this is how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video.